So the slot is the next stage, so I'm just going to run you through that and the procedure I've got for doing it. I'm just using the rotary table with the level on it. I can't remember what I actually called it, but basically it's just homemade parallel. You've seen me use it in the other operations, and I'm using it exactly the same way. Got a couple of marks lined up on here, so I know roughly where it goes, but it's not that crucial as long as this is pressed against this nice and square. So I've got a height set for the centre of the hole. I've only eyed it up, and the first one was a little bit out, but I reckon you see the rest are pretty much bang on really. So I'm just going to run through, and I'll do you a couple of different shots as well. I'm running this in reverse actually. This slitting saw hasn't got a keyway, despite the fact that my shaft has, but the bottom part of the shaft accepts slitting aubers which don't have a keyway. Mind you, you can take the keyway out, but I mean either, but I'm running this in reverse purely simply because I feel it's better to come back from this direction, and I haven't got a lot of room going that way, so that's the way I'm doing it. I'm not sure what the feed rate is, I'm just feeling it basically. I can tell you what it's doing. So if I go 0, 0.5, 1 mil, 0.5, 1 mil, 0.5, 1 mil. So I should be able to work out what the feed rate is. despite the fact it's being a real cheap saw, and you can hear that it's not quite round. It's got a couple of teeth that are not quite as nice as the rest. In fact, it's got quite a few, and so forth. But it does cut really nicely, and no burrs or anything. It's does a good job, really. So, last but one step is enlarge these holes, and then I will be countersinking them. But so this step is just basically enlarging these holes. So next step, countersink, and then after that all I've really got to do is bruise them up a bit and sandblast them. I've still got to even start working on how I'm going to do the wing nut. There's a wing nut. So that will be another project entirely. I might cast them, I don't know yet. I've got to think about that one. Anyway, right. Let's get on with what I'm doing. I've got a stop set so I don't go too deep.